From the house of NAREX, a name trusted in industrial innovation for over 3 decades, we proudly introduce BOCO WELD, the next evolution in water-based laser welding technology. Designed for unmatched precision, available in 1.5 kilowatt, 2 kilo and 3 kilowatt models, it's built to meet the demands of modern fabrication. BOCO WELD by NAREX. The BOCO wire feeder, engineered with precision-built inner components, available in single and double configurations, designed for durability, portability, and seamless mobility on site. Laser gun, powerful, and ready for seamless welding. Max Photonics. Laser source, 100,000 hour lifetime, stable, maintenance-free. Water chiller, dual cooling for laser and cutting head, featuring robust. Advanced electronics bay. The machine's brain with robust controller, stable power supply, solenoid valves, and relays. 4-in-1 machine. Laser welding. Laser cleaning. Laser cutting. Weld cleaning. BOCO WELD from NAREX. Contact now.